Welcome to Jayco Australia, where every caravan is proudly built right here in Victoria with over 50 years of experience behind us. At Jayco, strength and quality start from the core. Our walls, roofs and floors are engineered using premium materials and smart construction techniques to handle tough Aussie conditions. Take a look behind the scenes to see how we build every van to be strong, durable and ready for adventure. We start with a lightweight, one-piece composite floor made using advanced lamination technology. It's strong, thermally efficient and rot-resistant, giving every Jayco van a solid foundation for years of adventure.
Benefits of a one-piece floor is all around the strength that it gives. So when you have a timber floor, you can get some flex. One-piece floor takes away that flex. It also gives you an insulation element and also sound deadening as well. So a lot of advantage there in the laminated floors.
We use precision CNC routers to cut out plumbing and electrical routes, so everything is placed exactly where it needs to go, with no wasted space or guesswork.
So one of the things that we do on our one-piece floors too is that we actually router out all openings. So what that does is it controls where the position is. So in cabinets, it's critical that we maintain the most space in the cabinetry. So we actually determine where all the hoses go. So one of the things that we do at Jayco is look at our processes and look at the opportunities to automate the processes, make it more accurate and also make it easier for our operators. And that led us to look at the Wintec foam cutter, which effectively does a job that people used to use a T-knife for. So it's a lot safer, a lot more accurate. We get 100% accurate because it's a CNC machine.
When it comes to roof construction, everything is done on the ground. That means better safety for our team and better quality control for you. We use a CNC router to cut clean channels for lighting and wiring. No more guesswork, no more variability, just precision.
So one of the features of the Jayco Caravans is a laminated roof. It also has an integrated front end frame. So we introduced that a couple of years back, just with a view of any penetrations we can take off the roof is a good thing. Once it's complete, we then lift it up to place on the top of the van.
For our sidewalls, we use Jayco's tough frame composite construction. That includes a lightweight aluminium frame, high-density insulation foam, a hail and dent-resistant fibreglass exterior, and internal furniture plating for strength and durability. Inside our lamination room, every wall panel is pressed, bonded, and tested. We check glue weight every hour and monitor humidity to ensure optimal bonding, so every panel is strong, stable, and built to last.
So this is the second area in our side frame process. So this is where we do all the laminating. So effectively, we've got 3 multi-tier presses here. And we have lay-up tables where the glue gets laid and then it goes into a bag press. Some of the key things we focus on here is quality around process. So it's actually an air-controlled room. You can see we've got an air conditioner. We also have a timer, so the timer effectively tells people their available open time to ensure that we get it into the pressing time and make sure that the glue doesn't go off and we get a delamination. We also do a number of quality checks here. So we do glue weight checks. So periodically every hour we do a glue weight check to make sure that we're getting the right distribution of glue. We also check the amount of water that goes on because the water makes the glue react and set.
From the floor up, every Jayco caravan is built using advanced technology, in-house craftsmanship, and a relentless focus on quality. Because when you're out on the road, you want to know your van is built to handle whatever lies ahead. Jayco, built with care, tested for adventure.